In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of linear action automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. In App Marketplace, use your search bar to search for the application you'd like to install, and when you find it, just click on it. From this interface, click Install and allow an install. Next, refresh your page. When the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. In this interface, we have a series of very important tabs. The first tab is the Documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Next is the Tutorials tab, which contains resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the Setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by copying your redirect URL and clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Linear account online, and in your account, click on your profile. From there, click on Settings and Security and Access. Next, scroll down and click on API. Now, click on New Old Application. There, fill in the necessary credentials like the application name, the developer's name, the developer's URL, a description, and the callback URL. From there, scroll down and click on Create. Our credentials have been generated. Copy the client's ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Next, copy the client's secret, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then you click Complete Setup. On this interface, click Authorize. And as you can see, the application has been set up successfully. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have any issue. And finally is the Changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. You can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address here and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.